Hello and welcome to my terrible review of a terrible Chinese dash cam from eBay. In this first picture, you can see 3-inch 1080p, car dash cam, DVR camera, video recorder, dash cam, wasn't need to say that twice, G sensor and GPS. Well, as you can expect, being Chinese and on eBay, that title is pretty much a lie. As far as I can tell, my unit does not have a G sensor or GPS, and I spent at least half an hour going through the settings. This next picture, you can see the accessories that come with it. Upper left is the 12 volt power socket adapter, which is garbage. I used it for about 20 minutes and it just created a whole lot of ignition noise, so I pretty much binned that immediately. I just use a standard USB to micro USB charger, the ones that you've probably got a dozen of at home. At the top of the screen is the suction cup mount for the windshield. The suction cup, the suction I should say, is actually very strong. I've never seen one that strong before from a Chinese device. The way it attaches to the camera is not indicated in the manual or on the listing. You just kind of have to fiddle with it. It's a very tight fit, and you want to hold the camera body together. When I was attaching it to the camera, the case actually started to come apart a little bit. Just above the camera itself, for some reason, is a USB charging cord. Like I don't have enough of them already. To the right of the camera is the worst instruction manual I've ever gotten from a Chinese device. It mentions features that the camera doesn't have, and the English is pretty terrible. Next picture, the box that the camera came in. That is the actual condition in which I received it. Beat up. Looks like it might have been opened at one point. Next up is a nighttime video. This is average street-lit street. You can see very poor light. The images, what it's capturing, are absolutely terrible, fuzzy. You can't make a single thing out. It'd be pretty useless if you're going to try to use it for anything. Next up, daytime video, well, afternoon. As you can see, I've stopped at the edge of the road, and the video makes it look like I was maybe 2 inches from the center line, that yellow line there. I wasn't. I was probably 3 feet from it. For some reason, this camera has a incredibly zoomed in view. I cannot find a way to change that. So now as I'm driving, you can see it's just fuzzy, low resolution, like oversampled, or I'm not sure what the term is for it, but 1080p it's not. It's like maybe VGA resolution that's interpolated up to 1080p. I'm sorry for the dirt on my windshield. I haven't cleaned it. I just attached it to do this video. So what do I think? For the price of 2 McDonald's meals, is it worth it? Not really. If you just want a camera to, for some reason, record your driving, you might get by with it. In the daytime, at nighttime, garbage. Don't bother. Well, thank you for watching.